In this video, we are setting up the hardware for our 8x32 LED matrix snake game using a breadboard and the Arduino Mega 2560. Let's get started with the wiring. First, we'll connect the LED matrix display using 5 jumper wires. Carefully insert the pins for VCC, GND, DIN, CS, and CLK. Make sure each one is firmly connected. Next, we wire up the PS2 Joystick Module using 4 jumper wires, GND, 5V, VRX, and VRY, plus 1 for the switch. Now it's time to power everything up. These will let us control the snake's movement. Place the power module onto the breadboard. This will supply 5 volts and ground to our components. With the modules connected, we'll move on to the Arduino Mega 2560. Using jumper wires, connect the pins as defined in our code. Digital pins 7, 8, 9, and 10. Analog pins A0 and A1. And don't forget GND and 5V for proper power and signal reference. Once all the pins are in place, start arranging the wires neatly on the breadboard. Good organization here helps avoid confusion and shorts. After double-checking your connections, it's time for the fun part. Upload the code to the Arduino Mega 2560, and that's it. Once uploaded, the snake game will boot up and you're ready to play. Happy prototyping, and let the games begin.
Game over. Game over.